What's fueling the rally then for the ferrous metals market, and is it likely to be sustained?
Hi, good morning. So this rally, like from the ferrous markets, including iron ore and steel, has been mainly driven by the tightness in the seaborne market. And iron ore futures actually topped over $230 a ton at a record high earlier this week in Singapore. And so the steelmaking material was enjoying a very good run this week until there was some top officials' comments from China, which is the world's largest commodity consumer, came yesterday, and they urged the country to deal with the commodity surge. That is actually a similar rhetoric over the past month from the nation to ratchet up some pressures to control the spikes in material costs. So the futures yesterday actually took a hit.
And likely direction, Annie, moving forward? What's next? What are you guys watching? And likely direction from the people that you guys are speaking with?
Yeah, so many market watchers have already said this elevated iron ore price and steel prices is kind of detached from the fundamentals. So despite there is a robust demand from the recovery of a global steel consumption and also a seaborne supply could still be unable to match the pace of demand, analysts are saying that prices might correct, but it's unclear of what the timing or magnitude of it will be. And there is also a risk looming that China could also engage in policy that may cool the demand for steel materials, because the surging input prices are actually already spurring some inflation concerns in the country or even globally.